gotta hit the beat, beat. I got it. I got it. Pop that bottle, it's over. It's the end of the wind is chill, right? Kicking in beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin. But the feeling keeps kicking in beef with all the girls, bullshit dripping off the chin. Robots that appear in industry are expensive and complicated before 2021. That's why we create Ember B1, affordable with high performance. B1 meaning Bionic First Generation. The technical inspiration comes from Bionic. The density of the B1 robotic arm is the same as human arm. It imitates the characteristics of biological muscles, which include ultra-high torque density and super instant explosive power, also with force control and feedback. It is a consumer-grade, 7-axis, modular and scalable with force control and feedback Ember AI-OS Bionic arm. Its core components come from Ember AI-OS, which the technical inspiration is from running Kita, and it gives the robot a lot of power, precise control, and friendly collaborative feedback. All 7 joints of the Ember B1 7-axis robotic arm are powered by Ember AI-OS Pro 14 actuators. Its configuration is very simple and can be combined at liberty and modularized. Ember AI-OS, all-in-one servo. We combine intelligent drive, high-precision encoder, high-performance motor, and industrial-grade speed reducer. B1 robotic arm is equipped with Ethernet communication protocol, support 100 Mbps Wi-Fi. It also can execute intelligent long-range control with no extra cables. Ember B1 can be operated using the Ember Robot Studio software. Developers
Shine is reinventing the bathroom. Because even though the bathroom hasn't changed in a century, we have. So why do we spend time each week on the dirtiest job in the home, using brushes that just push germs around, while exposing our family and pets to harmful chemicals? And when anything goes wrong, even a simple fix warrants a call to an expensive plumber. What if the toilet could clean itself and tell you how to quickly fix it? Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes. Just attach the Shine sensors to the water line and toilet bowl. Pour in some tap water, place an eco-friendly pod into Shine, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. Developed in Japan to clean high bacteria environments around sushi, Shine uses electricity to transform the tap water into electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. Best of all, after it cleans your bowl, it turns back into a saline solution that's safe for plumbing and pets, leaving your bowl free of germs, sparkling clean, and smelling great, effortlessly.
Simple, effortless, and accessible are not words typically associated with perfectly painted nails.
This, on the other hand, is something we're all too familiar with.
But what if you could get a flawless manicure at home, on your schedule, and without having to lift a finger? It's not a hypothetical question. It's NIMBLE, the first ever smart device to flawlessly paint and fully dry your nails. NIMBLE provides salon quality nails from the comfort of your home. With the simple press of a button, NIMBLE scans the size, shape, and curve of each individual nail, calculating the exact amount of polish needed for your manicure. When it's time to paint, NIMBLE's ergonomic handle gently supports your hand, while a tiny robotic arm seamlessly applies the polish. Each nail gets a base coat, 2 layers of color, and a top coat, 4 layers of long-lasting polish. An airflow system is activated between each coat to simultaneously paint and dry your nails. Your nails come out completely dry, so there's no risk of smearing or smudging. NIMBLE uses healthy, high-quality polishes that both protect and strengthen your nails. All NIMBLE polishes are non-toxic, 13-free, cruelty-free, and are easily removed with regular polish remover. Whether you're looking for pops of color, classics, or nudes, NIMBLE has them all. Our ever-evolving collection of vibrant shades is updated seasonally to suit any mood, any look, and any occasion. Life doesn't have to slow down for beauty, and neither should you. Join us and help bring NIMBLE to life.